Edward, and I'm here from Silver Spring, Maryland.
And what did you think of the event?
It was really helpful. It really teaches you a lot about your numbers. I knew I was doing okay, but after doing all the numbers, you actually know where you are and where you stand in business, and it gives you the opportunity to look and adjust numbers for next year since you're budgeting for the next year. So it's really helpful in that aspect.
Sports, landscaping.
And you're an alumni. This was your second Know Your Numbers.
That's it, man. Second round. Good stuff.
And how did Know Your Numbers impact your business last year?
We were profitable. We made money. It's pretty nice to make money.
We always want to see alumni do well.
Yeah, man.
And what do you think you learned from this year's event that you're going to implement in year 2?
Definitely a lot about incentives. It's pretty sweet. Efficiency. And truly, I just need to tighten up my books even more.
And what do you think of the newest spreadsheet?
Oh, dude, that is gold, man. Yeah, getting rid of that old two files. It's all one. Even got some colors.
Nice.
Some good stuff. Very excited.
And lastly, what did you think of our speaker, Rick Carver?
Dude, he's a badass. He's a gangster. That was a great speaker.
Yeah.
Yeah, it really was.
All these types of little things, guys, honestly, I swear to you, minutes are massive. So are inefficiencies, because an inefficiency in your operation is cancer. They do not get smaller. It grows like cancer. It's horrible. And nobody in their right mind should be able to tell you and convince you that the way to get rid of an inefficiency is by raising your prices. It doesn't work. You lose more. You might make a little bit more to pay some bills that you shouldn't have to have anyway, because if you were running leaner and really watching your numbers, you wouldn't have to be behind those bills. Very important. I'm going to show you a very simple thing about true cost of law.